Normally I'd stick it on with frosting, and I have frosting somewhere. Somewhere, but that's okay. I have my piping gel too. So I'm going to take a little bit of piping gel, and here it is, and I'm just going to stick it on with the piping gel because it's what I have. If this is wet, you can stick it on with water. Okay, and I want to go right in the center here. And I would evenly space 5 of these around. So I'm going to do 5 of them. But you're only going to see 4 because that's all I have here. Oh, what did I do? Put that one in the front? And make sure you put the ugliest one in the front. Oh, well. That's the way it goes. We can fix that. Okay. I measured this out so that I would have about 4 inches between. Somebody help me, please. 4 inches between these, because these are 3.5 inches. It's a little more than 30 inches around this cake. For those of you that remember your geometry, you can do the old, paper around the cake and fold a ribbon around the cake and fold it up to divide it evenly. But I just know that how I want to space these. So they're going to be about 4 inches apart. So I'm going to have 5 of them. So I'm just going to put I'm just going to put these 3 on. You don't need me to see me finish the cake, because I know you all want to get out and do your Christmas shopping. So a little bit of piping gel, measure it about 4 inches. Okay. Approximately. Just want to keep them. If you really want to get technical, you can measure it from the bottom, make sure they're all 1 inch off the bottom so they're all the same height. There we go. So you see those go around, and we want to do a draping on this. Let me move it to the side. That one little white spot was killing me. So to do the draping, if you've got a pasta machine, which I did bring, but I'm not going to take time to set up, by all means, run it through the pasta machine. We want a 4-inch, approximately 4-inch long, and we're going to drape it, so it'll end up being about a little bit, well, it'll be about 4.5 inches, I suppose. And we want, I have my little guy. I have a cutter. Where is it? Here it is. Ribbon cutter, so that I can get it the right, like so. Don't you love that? That is set at it's set as wide as I could get it, which is 2¼ inches. Those of you that care. I'm going to get my little bamboo skewers. I'm going to make this about, whoops, got my fingernail in it, about 4.5 inches. Okay. And you basically are going to, normally we fold it, but I'm just going to kind of get these skewers on here. I'm just going to make pleats is all I'm doing. I'm just making a plate the hard way. A nice little drape, like so. I use the skewers to lift it up because it's easier that way. And we're going to pinch these ends together, like so. And what I need now is my cake to see